3, 2, 1. What's up, YouTube? Matty Ice here. I'm here with my girlfriend Mallory.
Hi.
You can follow her right here
On Instagram.
So today we're gonna do some Mberries.
I'm so scared.
So what it is, it's a miracle fruit tablet that makes anything sour turn sweet, right?
Yeah.
So the scientific term is Sensipalum dulcificum. I'll put it right here. It's a plant known for its berry that when eaten causes sour foods to taste sweet. See you on the other side. Wait, we just let it sit? Alright. We'll catch you when this is done dissolving. Okay. It's done, and I feel so much different. It's insane. I'm just kidding.
First, we're gonna start out with some tequila.
We're gonna take a shot.
Yes. And we're gonna see how different it tastes. If it tastes any
If
different.
she does not make a face,
Then that's how you know it works.
This really is a miracle berry. I kind of want to see you take it though.
Me first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll watch. I want to watch. I want to watch. No way.
That's honestly. Okay.
No, yeah, you're still going through it.
The aftermath is that fucks you up, but the drink, it's not that bad.
Here goes nothing.
Not bad.
It makes it smoother.
Like sweeter, yeah.
Makes it smoother. Like, it's a little smoother. I think tequila's too strong for these berries.
Oh yeah, no.
These berries are nothing to tequila. Tequila 1, berry 0.
Oh yeah. Now I want to move on to strawberry.
Now we took a shot of generic tequila for no reason.
It is what it is.
It is
what it is. We're just gonna do a strawberry. I've seen people do strawberries and they like look like they were tasting the best thing in the world. So
that wop.
try it. That wop. That macaroni. Oh my god, that's so sweet. Oh my god. That makes that strawberry way better.
That's weird. No, it just tastes like if
It's sweet ass strawberry, like in powdered sugar.
Not powdered, just like sugar.
Yeah.
You got some sugar, you poured it on the strawberry, and took a bite.
Oh my god, that's so good. Oh my god.
That's like too sweet though. Like usually I could eat a whole
Says no
thing
way.
of strawberries, but
That's good. I like it.
that is so sweet. That is so sweet.
That is really good. I like it. That's crazy.
Now we got lemon.
Yep. Oh my god.
That's insane. That tastes like lemonade.
I'm amazed right now.
I'm done.
I'm like shocked.
Video's over. There's no need to continue.
For real, I'm like, let's fucking go somewhere and get food. Like,
This lemon Tastes like lemonade.
You're loving it, huh?
I am.
That just tastes like a sweet tomato. Oh, I like that. I could go and snack on those.
It doesn't taste like a tomato though.
That's what I'm saying. That just tastes so sweet.
What does it taste like though? It almost tastes like a grape. I still don't like it though. Not a fan.
Oh, I like it. I could fucking snack on that.
Let's get some liquid.
Let's get some liquid.
Is this like straight black coffee?
You could take this first. I don't know. Since you made me do the tequila.
Oh.
First.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so we have black and bold, high brew, cold brew, coffee, dairy free, sugar free, and it is black and it is bold. It smells very bold.
Yep.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't know about that one.
Okay. Here's black coffee. It doesn't taste like anything. I feel like that should be way stronger, right? It's not that bad. It just tastes like watered down coffee.
Yeah, kind of. Yeah, it does. But you taste like black coffee.
Yeah.
That didn't do nothing.
Are we supposed to take another berry?
No. Okay.
That's it? Oh yeah, I guess. No, yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. I'm doing ASMR. This is ASMR, and we're about to go into the hot sauce round.
No. Okay.
All right. So now we're gonna try.
Tapatio.
So
Like a little bit on a.
I mean, we know how spicy tapatio is, but we're just gonna see if it changes how it tastes.
Yeah.
So cheers.
Cheers.
Oh
It does sweeten it.
no, it does not.
Yes, it does.
When?
It did in the beginning,
When?
but then it gets spicy. Oh, I love tapatio.
That just tasted like tapatio.
Yeah, that was good.
No, it's not
Ooh,
good.
That.
Yeah.
What's hot though? Tapatio's gonna be spicy.
That is nothing. Cheers.
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 That still tastes like mustard. It's like sweet mustard. But no,
Wow.
I don't like that.
That's sweet mustard.
Yeah. It still tastes like mustard though.
Not. I mean, it does have the mustard. Mustard S. It takes all the tang away. 'Cause you know how mustard has that tang? Makes your mouth pucker?
I still had that tang.
It takes all of it away.
Nope.
Dude!
That's gross. Give me a napkin.
Okay, next we have ketchup. Mustard's brother, cousin, sister,
What if like boyfriend or girlfriend?
husband and wife.
Maybe.
You're the ketchup to my mustard.
Yeah, I would think so.
But some people don't like ketchup, and some people don't like mustard.
Well, a lot of couples don't like each other, so it still works out.
The ketchup runs off and finds a relish.
There you go. Okay, cheers.
The mustard runs off with the mayo.
Cheers.
Mmm. Tastes like ketchup.
Yeah. Doesn't do nothing.
Alright, so now I'm gonna try the hazy little thing. the little hazy thing. And I do not like IPAs, so cheers. That tastes like sweet tea.
You're lying.
I swear.
You're lying.
Try it. I don't know. You hate beer though, so.
Yeah.
Like that's the least worst taste that I've seen you make tasting a beer.
I know. It was sweet. But then once I swallowed it, I was like, ooh, that's a beer.
Well, that's a beer.
That's a beer.
That's a beer. But it's a sweet beer.
Yeah, no. That's a no for me.
Man, we are gonna have a stomachache tomorrow.
That's what I'm saying.
And last
but not least.
but least,
Stupid onion.
the stupid onion. That tasted like beer, ketchup, tapatio, mustard, cold brew, lemon, strawberry, cherry tomato,
and IPA.
I said that already.
Oh, you did?
And
No, you didn't.
tequila.
You said tequila first.
I said
No,
IPA too.
tequila first.
I said IPA.
Okay, whatever. Stop stalling.
Because you want me to take the first bite?
Yes, this was your idea. I didn't ask for the onion. You asked for the onion. I don't want to do this.
We've seen holes, right?
Yeah, it's been a long time ago, so I don't remember if you
What
tell me something.
would Shia do?
Dig a hole.
Dig them up. Dig 'em. Ah! Okay.
Disgusting, bro. That's disgusting. That's fucking disgusting, dude. I ain't doing it. You made that face. That fucking stinks, bro. That fucking stinks.
Oh my gosh. That does not help at all. Oh.
Why are you still drinking it? Drink your water. Maybe bite it.
No, I'm talking about the berry for the onion.
Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna be alright.
I took a pretty big bite.
Ugh! It's a taste. Like, how'd you bite into that?
For you. For you, you two. For you.
Okay.
For you.
That is it.
No.
We've tried everything?
We have more.
Mm-mm.
I have a secret.
What?
The mystery item.
You're such a liar.
Alright everyone, thanks for watching. Make sure to leave the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. And you can also catch me on Twitch. And stay tuned for more.